Hello friends, welcome to Happy Home Tuber, and today I'm going to show my recipe of making vegetarian bow tie pasta, which will be very easy. So the number one step is to boil the pasta. For that I have taken enough water in the pan and let it boil, and now we are going to add 1 cup of bow tie pasta or farfalle pasta, and I'm adding 1 cup. So when it will be boiled it will be more in the quantity, so you can adjust the quantity as per your requirement. I'm making for 1 kid, so I'm adding 1 cup of pasta in that, and we have to cook our pasta as per the instructions given in the packet. And here to this I am adding few drops of oil. You can add any kind of oil, and I am adding little bit of salt. So just remember that we are adding little salt while boiling the pasta. So for the vegetables, here I have taken some olives which I have sliced, and cooked and blanched broccoli very finely chopped, and sweet corn, and I have taken the capsicum. You can take any colored capsicums also, and here I have taken the grated carrots so that it will be easy for kids to eat. And this is the perfect way to make kids eat vegetables. So in this, broccoli and our sweet corn is already boiled. So we have to check if our pasta is done, and we have to run in the cold water and let it cool. And now in a heated pan, I'm going to add some unsalted butter. You can also add olive oil. So here I am adding just 1 spoon of butter, and to this I am going to add and saute all my vegetables except the olives, because we will be garnishing them. So we have to just saute these vegetables just for a few seconds, and look how colorful they are looking, and it will be a yummiest pasta. And to this I'm adding some salt. You can add salt to taste. If you're using the salted butter before, then you can skip the salt, or you can put it less. And now we have to take pasta sauce. You can take any kind of pasta sauce. Here I have taken 1/3 cup of pasta sauce, and I'm putting it in, and just give it a boil, and you can just see the very nice color it's coming. And now we are going to add 1 tablespoon of milk. If you are a vegan, then just skip the milk. So 1 tablespoon of milk I have added, and this will add a creamy texture to our pasta, and the kids will definitely love this. And now I am adding kasuri methi, or you can add some oregano. And to this I am adding my boiled and cooked pasta, which I have kept it aside. And this we have to just quickly mix it together and cook for a few seconds only, because it will be ready in no time. So this yummy and delicious and nutritious pasta is ready to serve. You can also sprinkle some pepper if you want, or you can skip it. And this pasta looks delicious, and my kids love this with kasuri methi, because it gives a very nice flavor. So please try this. This is really a very nice pasta recipe. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Do like, comment and subscribe to my channel Happy Home Tuber, because I always try to make some healthy and delicious recipes in my channel. And guys, thanks again. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Bye.